for India. Sanitation was focused mainly on giving access to toilets, and unless the whole chain in terms of from toilet to conveyance to actual treatment of the waste was not attended to, then the sanitation improvements were not really possible.
Keeping the sanitation value chain at its core, CEPT University and AII LSG have developed a model to take towns and cities across Maharashtra from open defecation free to ODF plus and ODF plus.
So if you talk in terms of ODF for access to toilets, it very clearly mentions that nobody should be found defecating in open and everybody should have access to toilets, either individual or community toilets. So we move up the ladder essentially in ODF plus. So here you need to have a fecal sludge and septage management plan, a city level plan. In ODF plus, you also need to take care of your wastewater and it should be disposed only after treatment.
The industrial town of Sinnar in Maharashtra was chosen as an urban laboratory to prove this model. CEPT began by conducting in-depth sanitation research to develop a city sanitation plan that would implement the ODF plus and ODF++ model in Sinnar.
CEPT सिन्नर नगर परिषदेमध्ये सन 2012 पासून काम करीत आहे. त्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखालीच सिन्नर शहराने शहर स्वच्छता आराखडा सिटी सॅनिटेशन प्लॅन तयार केला.
We said, let's prepare a city sanitation plan, get the local government involved, get the local stakeholders involved, and develop something that is affordable at the local level and that is feasible.
Our idea was to look at financing, possible sources of finance, both for capital financing as well as for O&M, what is operation and maintenance. So idea is to look at the financing aspect, which is very critical.
The first step to implement the ODF model in Sinnar was to convince every resident to get their own toilet.
सिन्नर नगर परिषदेने एक मोहीम हाती घेतली. याच्यामध्ये ज्या लाभार्थ्यांकडे वैयक्तिक शौचालय नाहीत अशा सर्व लाभार्थ्यांना आवाहन केलं की त्यांनी वैयक्तिक शौचालयासाठी अर्ज सादर करावेत, ज्यामध्ये राज्य शासन, केंद्र शासन यांच्याकडून अनुदान देण्यात येणार होतं. त्याचप्रमाणे नगर परिषदेने देखील असा ठराव केला 5,000 रुपये इतकं अनुदान देण्यात येणार होतं. जे दारिद्र्यरेषेखालील लाभार्थी आहेत त्यांना 10,000 देण्यात येतं. आज अखेरपर्यंत सिन्नर नगर परिषदेने 1300 इतक्या लाभार्थ्यांनी वैयक्तिक शौचालयाचं बांधकाम पूर्ण केलेलं आहे.
माझ्याकडे 1-1.5 वर्षापासून टॉयलेट आहे आणि आता पहिल्यापेक्षा व्यवस्थित वाटतं. आता माझे सुना आहेत, नातू आहेत, मुलगा आहे, बायको आहे. रस्ता क्रॉस करून जायचं आहे त्यांना इतक्या लांब. नगरपालिकेने चांगलं हेल्प केले मला आणि 4 हप्ते करून आम्हाला 21,000 रुपये मदत केली.
There is some public subsidies available, but there is also need for what we call as access to sanitation financing through credit. The banking sector itself, housing finance institutions, microfinance institutions, all of them potentially are agencies from whom such credit can be made available.
आधी होतं माझ्या मनात की शौचालयाची गरज आहे. मग आम्ही इथं पतसंस्थेत वगैरे पण विचारलं, पण ते देत नव्हते. एवढे 20,000च्या पुढे लोन देत नव्हते आणि टॉयलेटसाठी 40,000 ते 50,000 रुपये लागायचे. मग आता यात 30,000 रुपये मिळाले. मग म्हटलं 20,000 स्पंदाना फायनान्स काढून घेतले. असे 50चं टॉयलेट बांधलं. चांगलं वाटतं म्हणजे वेळ वाचतो. मुलीचा पण माझा पण. रात्रीच्या वेळी जायची गरज नाही.
When we started our work in Sinnar, we realized that the whole process of toilet construction was left to local masons, local contractors. So we conducted lots of training programs for the masons. We developed very simple do's and don't sheets so that the toilet and the septic tank construction would be as per the standards that are prescribed.
The drive to increase better built household toilets yielded success. But for those residents who still couldn't afford their own toilets, Sinnar provided well-maintained community and public toilets.
लोकांची अशा तक्रारी होते की जी काही सार्वजनिक शौचालय आहेत त्याची नियमित देखभाल होत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे सिन्नर शहरामध्ये एकूण जी 22 सार्वजनिक आणि समुदाय शौचालय होती ते सर्व शौचालयांच्या दुरुस्तीचं काम आपण तातडीने हाती घेतलं. याचं देखील 3 वर्षाच्या कालावधीकरता टेंडर दिलेलं आहे. एक डेडिकेटेड टँकर जो आहे तो पाण्याची व्यवस्था बघण्यासाठी आपण केलेला आहे. सार्वजनिक शौचालयाचं प्रत्येक सीट जे आहे ते दिवसातून 2 वेळा स्वच्छ केलं जातं. याचा असा पॉझिटिव्ह असा परिणाम झाला की सार्वजनिक शौचालयांचा वापर जो आहे तो खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने होत गेला.
Sinnar was becoming open defecation free. But to sustain this ODF status, it also needed to bring about a change in the attitudes of its residents.
You need to sustain this ODF status. So we developed very catchy songs. Even in rickshaws, audios were played. Why you need to build toilets? Please apply for toilets. We put up banners at key spots about the toilet scheme and all. At the open defecation spots, at the community toilets. This town also has this good morning squad that goes to the open defecation spots in the town at various times.
गुड मॉर्निंग पथक सकाळी 5 ते 8 या वेळेत राहायचं आणि संध्याकाळी 6 ते 10 वाजेपर्यंत आम्ही तिथं राहायचं. आम्ही सिक्युरिटी नेमले 10 रात्रभर ते सिक्युरिटी त्या स्पॉटवर ठेवले. असे 10 स्पॉटवर आम्ही सिक्युरिटी नेमले होते. ते 10 सिक्युरिटी नेमल्यानंतर आमचं पूर्ण हागणदारी मुक्त शहर झालं.
This council was different in that way. They did not penalize the people, but they asked the people for the reasons that why are you defecating in the open. So based on the issues that the people raised, the council had a countermeasure for that in improving that situation.
A town with 13% open defecation had managed to turn around and become open defecation free. The next step was ODF plus.
To become ODF plus, one has to ensure that all the waste that is generated, the fecal matter particularly, it's conveyed properly and then treated.
See, the septage collection in Sinnar was essentially what we call as a complaint redressal mechanism. So your tank is full, it's not flowing properly, then you complain to the local government. Local government has its own septic tank emptier truck. They send it, you are charged for it. Our take on this has been that you need to provide FSM as a service, as a regular service by the local government.
We have envisaged along with the council that these septic tanks will also be emptied on a schedule basis and the whole town would be having a cleaning cycle of 3 years.
Sinnar plans to implement a public-private partnership model for regular desludging and transport of septage along with a fecal sludge treatment plant to treat collected septage.
The council decided to float a design, build, operate tender for a septage treatment plant where the private sector will build it also and it will operate for 3 years.
Sinnar is working towards achieving ODF plus, but the city is in setting boundaries and is planning to achieve ODF plus through the transport and treatment of its wastewater.
Grey water, which is essentially water coming from bathing, cooking and so on, is likely to be harmful to the environment and for the health of people. Our idea is that ODF++ will also address this issue.
What is being proposed for Sinnar is a system of settled sewer, and this can be taken to a treatment plant. So it is possible to treat this water and then ensure that it can be reused at least in the industries. So that is a revenue model to ensure that part of the treatment cost can be met.
Throughout, SEPT and the Sinnar Municipal Council have ensured Sinnar can become ODF++ using its own funds.
We realize that financing is very important. State government, the private sector, the CSR route from corporates. This is the capital expenses, but we recognize that the operational expenses will have to essentially come from the cities themselves.
The council introduced the concept of the sanitation tax. So if you have a toilet, you are charged around 300 rupees per year. If you don't have a toilet but still you are using a community toilet, so they even charge them around 200 rupees, and all the non-residential properties were given a flat tax of around 100 rupees per year.
A separate account is created, what we call as an escrow account. This money will be only used by the city council for payment to the private party. So we are covering the risks that the private sector has always been hesitant to enter into the space.
Sinnar is also calling on corporates to generate funds.
सिन्नर स्वच्छता कोश असा एक कोश बनवला जाईल की ते त्यामध्ये सिन्नरमध्ये असलेले व्यापारी वर्ग असो, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट असो, डॉक्टर्स असो, इंजिनियर्स असो, त्या सर्वांनी एकत्र येणं गरजेचं आहे आणि त्या एकत्र आल्यानुसार आपल्या शहराविषयी की आपण पुढाकार काय घेतला पाहिजे?
हम सिन्नर के अंदर रहते तो इट्स आवर फंडामेंटल राइट एंड ड्यूटी बोथ कि सिन्नर को स्वच्छ देखे और सिन्नर के लिए कुछ करे. सो मैं थॉट कि यस, इस स्वच्छता कोष में इवन इफ ऑल डोनेशन इज नीडेड, आई एम रेडी फॉर दैट.
CEPT is now taking the ODF Plus and ODF++ model to state and national levels.
मी एक भाग्यशाली म्हणेल सिन्नर शहरासाठी की महाराष्ट्र शासनाच्याच मदतीने आपण सेप्ट युनिव्हर्सिटीचे सहकार्य या ठिकाणी लाभत आहे. यामुळेच सिन्नर शहर हे नक्कीच महाराष्ट्रामध्ये OD+ आणि OD++ होणारे जे काही प्रथम शहर असेल.
In the next year, we will demonstrate that this Sinnar is not a unique city. What we have been able to do in Sinnar, we can do it in the 6 additional cities, and hopefully in all the 200+ cities in Maharashtra. And then that model can be picked up for the country as a whole.
बदल म्हणजे भरपूरसा असा बदल झालेला आहे. जे उघड्यावर जात होते त्यांचं उघड्यावर जाणं थांबलेलं आहे आणि ते परिपूर्ण स्वच्छतागृहाचा वापर करतायत.
एकदम छान वाटतं. बाहेर झालं रोड वलंडून त्रास होत होता, लई वेळ थांबावं लागत होतं, वेळेची वेळ झालं, एकदम स्वच्छता छान सगळं चांगलं वाटतं.
जे संडास टॉयलेट बाथरूम वगैरे बांधायला दिलेले आहे त्यामार्फत आमचं सिन्नर स्वच्छ झालेलं आहे. त्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप आनंद होतोय.
Here is a city where we will show schedule emptying, which has never been done in the country before. Here is a city where we're going to implement a fecal sludge treatment facility that is totally funded by the city government.
CEPT has proven its model in Sinnar by working closely with the urban local body and keeping the well-being of its citizens at its core.